Example 3, order the following radicals from least to greatest using radicals. So we're not converting them to decimals. So to do this, we're going to convert each to an entire radical. So looking at the first number, 4 to the 13 to the 1/2. 1/2, remember, is the exponent 1/2. You would write that as the square root. And now we're going to write it as an entire radical. So when we move the 4 in, we're going to square it. So we have 16 times 13. So we get the square root of 208. This one we're going to put into a radical. So 8 squared, so it's 64 times 3. So we get square root of 192. 14, you might think, well, there is no radical, but when you put it in, you're just going to square that number. So 14 squared. This is already an entire radical. And for this one, 10 squared, so we're going to have 100 times 2, or the square root of 200. So then you can see the order. You've got 192, square root of 196, square root of 200, square root of 202, square root of 208. And then you can rewrite them just so you can visualize what they would look like, what they were as mixed radicals. So 192 was 8 root 3, 196 was 14, 200 was 10 root 2, 202, root 202 rather is the same, and 4 times 13 to the 1/2.